Oh no, this is not good. My laptop is completely black now.
Hello, is there a problem with your computer?
Yes, it just turned off. I have a lot of work to do.
That is very stressful. My name is Tom, by the way.
Hi, Tom. I am Emma. I am very sad about this.
Do not worry, Emma. Maybe I can help you today.
Are you a computer expert? I really need an expert.
I am a programmer. I work with computers every single day.
That is great news. Can you look at my laptop, please?
Of course I can. Is that a new laptop or an old one?
It is quite new. I bought it only 6 months ago.
Okay, that is good. New laptops are usually easy to fix.
I tried to press the power button many times. Nothing happens.
Sometimes the button is not the problem. Let's check other things.
Do you think the screen is broken? It is very dark.
I do not think so. The computer is just very quiet.
Yes, I do not hear the fan. It is completely silent.
Did you save your work before it turned off?
I think the computer saves work every 5 minutes. I hope so.
That is a good feature. Your files are probably safe.
I have a big presentation tomorrow morning. I am very nervous.
We have a lot of time. Let's find the problem together.
Thank you so much, Tom. You are very kind to help me.
It is my pleasure. I like solving computer puzzles.
Where should we start? What is the first step?
First, we need to check the power. Is the battery empty?
I don't know. The red light is not on.
That is a very important clue. Let's look for your charger.
It is here in my bag. Wait 1 moment, please.
Take your time. I will wait here.
Here is my charger. The cable is very long.
Let me see the cable. Is it broken or cut?
No, it looks okay to me. It is a white cable.
Let's plug it into the wall. Is there a socket nearby?
Yes, there is one socket under my table.
Okay, plug it in. Now connect it to the laptop.
I am doing it now, but the light is still off.
That is strange. Is the socket in the wall working?
I don't know. How can we check the socket?
We can try to charge your phone in that socket.
Good idea. I have my phone and my phone cable here.
Plug the phone in. Does it show the charging icon?
No, my phone is not charging. The socket is dead.
That is a problem. There is no electricity in this socket.
Oh, I am so silly. I thought my laptop was broken.
You're not silly. It is very common in cafes.
Maybe the cafe has a problem with the lights?
No, the lamps are on. Only this table is bad.
Should we move to another table? I see one near the window.
Yes, let's move there. It is a better place for work.
Can you help me with my bag? It is very heavy.
Of course, I will carry your laptop and your coffee.
You are a real gentleman, Tom. Thank you again.
It is no problem at all. Let's go to the window.
This table has 2 sockets. That is much better.
Try to plug the laptop in here. Let's see the light.
Oh, look, the small orange light is on.
That is great. The battery is charging now.
But the screen is still black. Why is that?
The battery is very empty. We must wait 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes are over. Let's try to turn it on.
Should I press the button now? I am a bit scared.
Yes, press the power button and hold it for 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3. I am pressing it now.
I hear the fan. The computer is waking up.
Oh, I see the logo on the screen. It is working.
That is a very beautiful logo. Is that a fruit?
Yes, it is a pear. It is a pear book laptop.
I use a different brand, but Pear books are very fast.
It is starting slowly. Please open my files.
It needs to check the system first. Just wait a moment.
I see the login screen now. I need my password.
Please type your password. I will look at the window.
Okay, I am in. My desktop is here.
Do you see your presentation file? Is it on the desktop?
Yes, it is here. projecttomorrow.ppt.
Open the file. Let's check the last page.
It is opening. Oh, thank God, all my work is here.
I am very happy for you, Emma. Your work is safe.
I was so worried about my job. You saved me.
It was just a dead socket. It happens to everyone.
I need to be more careful next time. I must check the light.
Yes, always check the charging light when you sit in a cafe.
Do you work in this cafe every day, Tom?
No, only on Tuesdays. I like the coffee here.
I like the croissants. They are very fresh and sweet.
I agree. The food here is very good for students.
Now I can finish my last 3 slides.
Do you need help with your presentation? I know PowerPoint.
That is very nice, but I think I am okay now. My laptop is at 10% now. It is getting better.
It is charging fast. You can work for 2 hours now.
I will stay here until the battery is 100%.
That is a good plan. Don't forget to drink your coffee.
Oh, my coffee is cold now. I forgot about it.
Cold coffee is not very tasty. I can get you a new one.
No, you already helped me with the computer.
It is okay. I'm going to the counter for a refill anyway.
Then please get me a small latte. I will pay you.
No, it is my treat. I like to meet new people.
That is too much, Tom. You are very generous.
It is just the coffee, Emma. Relax and finish your work.
Okay, thank you. You are a very special person.
I will be back in 2 minutes. See you soon.
Tom is very nice, and he is very smart.
1 black coffee and 1 latte, please.
Slide number 10 is finished. Only 2 more.
Here is your hot latte. Be careful, it is very hot.
It smells delicious. Thank you so much, Tom.
You are welcome. How is the presentation going?
It is almost finished. I am writing the conclusion now.
Conclusions are important. They are the last thing people hear.
Yes, I want to end with a very strong message.
What is the topic of your project? Is it about art?
It is about green energy and solar panels for houses.
That is a very interesting and important topic for today.
I want to help the planet. It is my passion.
I like that. I write code for a recycling company.
Really? So we both like green things. That is cool.
Yes, it is a very small world, Emma.
Emma, do you have a backup of your work?
A backup? What do you mean? Is it a separate file?
Yes, you should save your work in the cloud or on a USB.
I don't have a USB. Is the cloud difficult to use?
No, it is very easy. It is like an online box for files.
Can you show me how to use the cloud on my pair book?
Of course. Look at the top right corner of your screen.
I see a small cloud icon. Should I click it?
Yes, click it and sign in with your email.
It asks for my email and my name.
Now drag your presentation file into that window.
Okay, I am dragging it now. Is it uploading?
Yes, see the blue bar? It is saving your file online.
Now my work is safe even if my laptop breaks?
Exactly. You can open it from any computer in the world.
That is a miracle. I feel much safer now.
It is a very good habit for every student and worker.
I will do this every day from now on.
I also have a spare charger in my bag. Do you want it?
Why do you have 2 chargers, Tom?
I always have a backup for everything. I'm a programmer.
You are very prepared for every problem.
I don't like surprises when I'm working.
I understand. Surprises are very scary in a cafe.
Your battery is at 50% now. That is very good.
I think I can finish everything in 30 minutes.
Perfect. Then we can go for a walk in the park.
A walk? Is there a park near this cafe?
Yes, it's just around the corner. It's very beautiful.
That sounds lovely. I need some fresh air.
I am finished. The presentation is 100% complete.
Congratulations, Emma. You did a great job today.
I am so happy. I want to celebrate.
Let's go to the counter and buy some croissants for the park.
No, I will buy them. It is my turn to pay.
Okay. I will not argue with a solar energy expert.
Thank you, Tom. You are very funny.
Let's pack your laptop and your cables first.
I am putting everything in my bag. I am very fast now.
Don't forget your phone. It is still in the socket.
Oh, thank you. I almost forgot my phone again.
You are very distracted when you are happy, Emma.
Yes, it is true. I am a very emotional person.
That is a good thing. It makes you a good artist.
I am not an artist. I am a scientist.
A scientist is an artist of facts. It is the same thing.
I like that. You are very poetic for a programmer.
We all have many sides to our personality.
2 chocolate croissants, please. They look delicious.
And 2 bottles of water, please.
Here is the money. Thank you for the food.
Let's go outside. The sun is very bright today.
It is perfect weather for my solar panels.
After you, Emma. The park is this way.
I am so glad I met you today in this cafe.
I am glad I noticed your dark screen. It was a good day.
I think I have a new friend and a fixed laptop.
Yes, it is a double win for you today.
Let's eat our croissants on the bench near the fountain.
That is a perfect plan. Let's go.